exercise 3.2, question number 1, first part. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution graphically. Here you are asked to find the solution graphically. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to take the equations. 10 students of a class 10 took part in maths quiz. So total number of students. Taking part in maths quiz is equal to 10. There are 10 students who participated in maths quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Clear? So here we have to suppose that number of girls is equal to x and number of boys is equal to 1. ये कौन से हैं? Who are taking parts in maths quiz. It is not the total number of students. Let number of girls x and number of boys y. Maths quiz. So what will be there according to question? Number of girls plus number of boys. It should be equal to total students taking part in the quiz. So here x plus y is equal to 10. It is the first equation. And second equation is, we are given here the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. So girls boys में से 4 ज़्यादा. Clear? So how to write number of girls here? X. X is equal to y plus 4. Clear? Here especially they are given. Find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Condition क्या है? एक तो दोनों का total 10 है. Number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. So ये दो conditions आपके पास आ गई. It is the equation number 1 and it is the equation number 2. अब equation number 1 और 2 के जब आपने ग्राफ प्लॉट करने हैं, we require minimum 3 points. इसके अकॉर्डिंग 3 points और दूसरे के अकॉर्डिंग भी 3 points हमें चाहिए. So we have to draw the table. So first is x plus y is equal to 10. So I am going to write x plus y is equal to 10. Equation 1 के लिए, which implies x is equal to 10 minus y. So again try to take positive values because here number of students will always be positive. Here it means जब भी आप इनका ग्राफ प्लॉट करोगे आपका आंसर जो है that should be in first quadrant. So here x and here y. Substitute the value of y. I have put value of y as 0. So 10 minus 0 it will become 10 value of x. Second value we can take y as 5. So 10 minus 5 it will be 5. Again we can take value of y as 10. 10 minus 10 it will be 0. So these two values are special values where we can check the point of intersection of the graph with the x-axis or y-axis. So it is the table for first value. Clear? Now for the second equation is x is equal to y plus 4. So substitute the value of y, you will get the value of x. X, y. Substitute y is equal to 0. X will be 0 plus 4, 4. Second value, take y as 2. So value of x will be 4 plus 2, 6. Third value, take y is equal to -4. अब यहाँ पे -4 हम क्यों ले रहे हैं? वहाँ पे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, अदरवाइज वो सॉल्यूशन उसका नहीं होगा. फॉर y is equal to -4, x will become 0. You can take any other value also. Now we have to plot these values on the graph paper. If any doubt is there, you can raise hand. अगर किसी को नहीं clear है, you can ask. On the graph paper, plot the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis. X O x dash, y O y dash. Take the scale of your own choice. इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि we cannot take 10 small division is equal to 10 units. वो भी ले सकते हो आप. उसमें क्या है कि ग्राफ छोटा बनेगा but it will be right. गलत नहीं बनेगा. ठीक है, इसमें मिस्टेक नहीं होगी. अगर आप 10 small division equal 10 ले लेते हो, उनको जब आप प्रेजेंट करते हो, it is not difficult to convert. उसको कन्वर्ट नहीं करना पड़ेगा आपको. तो यहाँ पे 0 10 5 5 ये कोऑर्डिनेट है. आपने इक्वेशन नंबर 1 के पहले प्लॉट करने हैं, तो स्केल हमने चूज करना है. ठीक है, यू कैन चूज 10 स्मॉल डिवीजन इज इक्वल टू 1 आल्सो, क्योंकि आपके पास टोटल वैल्यूज कितनी चाहिए? 10 चाहिए. दोनों का टोटल जो है वो 10 होना चाहिए आपके पास. क्लियर? और यू कैन टेक 5 स्मॉल डिवीजन इज इक्वल टू, अदरवाइज 10 स्मॉल डिवीजन इज इक्वल टू 10 भी ले सकते हो. क्लियर? तो मैंने यहाँ पे स्केल थोड़ा सा 5 डिवीजन 10 डिवीजन के इक्वल मैंने 2 ले लिया. क्लियर? स्केल 10 स्मॉल डिवीजन इज इक्वल टू 2 यूनिट्स ले सकते हो, या 2 स्टूडेंट्स ले सकते हो, या फिर 5 डिवीजन इज इक्वल टू 1 ले लो. अदरवाइज आपकी चॉइस है, आप कैसा स्केल यूज करना चाहते हो. उसमें ये वैल्यूज इजीली प्लॉट हो जानी चाहिए. तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया? स्केल 10 small divisions is equal to 2 units. अगर 10 के इक्वल 2 यूनिट्स है तो 5 के इक्वल 1 हो गया. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 5 small division is equal to 1 unit. बोथ आर सिमिलर. अब यहाँ पे 10 में मैंने 2 मार्क कर दिया. 4 6 8 10 along x axis as well as along y axis. यहाँ पे along both axes, along both axes. Clear? Now along y axis also, here 2 4 6 8 10. Similarly, here negative signs you can put हमने negative value यहाँ तक रखी है -4 तक. It is the value of y. So here -1 -2 -3. Y should come up to -4. यहाँ पे sorry here -2 -4 -6. हम 2 डिवीजन ले रहे हैं. Here also it is 4 origin जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स होते हैं 0 0. Here -2 -4 -6. Now plot these points. First is 10 0. X is 10. Don't be confused about ordinate and abscissa. Abscissa is 10 and height no height means value of y is 0. So coordinates 10 0. Second is 5 5. Here 4 and here 6. In between at the center it will be 5. Similarly height here 4. After in between 4 and 6 the number 5 will be there. तो आपकी लाइन ये ऑलरेडी होगा. आपके ग्राफ पे ये लाइंस ऑलरेडी होगी वर्टिकल एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. ठीक है, वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन 5 5 के यहाँ पे मैच करती है. दैट पॉइंट विल बी 5, 5. Next is x 0, y 10. X is 0, y is 10. This point is 0, 10. Now you have to plot the line. इसकी आपने line plot करनी है. Join all these points to make a straight line with the help of scale. Scale के साथ आपने इसको join करना है. So this line will be x plus y is equal to 10. If you want to extend, you can extend this line. But solution will be in first quadrant only. Now we are going to plot graph of second line. So here first value 4, 0. So here x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. This point is 4, 0. 4, 0. Write the coordinates. Second is 6, 2. For x is equal to 6. Y coordinate is 2. 6, 2. Next is here also write coordinates 6, 2. Next value is 0 minus 4. For x equal to 0, ordinate will be minus 4. So point 0 minus 4. Now join all these points to make a straight line. We have 3 points. You can extend the line. Now this is the point of intersection. Clear? This is the point of intersection and that will be the solution. Now you are having your graph paper and you are plotting on your own graph. Can you tell me, read from your graph, what is the point of intersection? Raise your hands, those who have found the point of intersection. Yes, Suhana, Arshpreet, Mukul, so many students have raised hand. So ma'am, unmute one of these. Because I am drawing on the board.
Suhana, unmute.
What is the point of intersection? Yes, Mukul.
Mukul, you unmute yourself, beta. You can unmute yourself.
7 by 3.
Yes. So point of intersection is from here you can write in between 6 and 8. This point is 7. Here in between 2 and 4 the point is 3. So how to write here? X coordinate is 7. Y coordinate is 3. I hope you all have plotted it as well. Sabka yahi point aa raha hoga 7, 3. Now we can check 7 plus 3 is 10 also. दोनों का total 10 है. Clear? And their differences 7 minus 3 is 4. तो दोनों condition हो रही है. Sum of students is 10 and the difference means x minus y is 4. तो हमारा ये पॉइंट राइट है. So solution of pair of these linear equations in two variables. So solution of linear equations in these two variables is, what is abscissa 7, ordinate 3. Clear? So here we can write the equation. ये वाली equations जो है इसको standard form में लिखना है, तो आपके पास equation आ जाएगी x plus y minus tan equal to 0. That is the equation A. So first equation आपके पास ये वाली है, x plus y minus tan is equal to 0. Clear? First equation we have mentioned. Now second equation, this one, second equation, वो क्या थी आपके पास, x is equal to y minus y plus 4. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कैसे लिखना है, x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0, that will be b. ये वाली इक्वेशन, तो उसको जब आपने ग्राफ में प्लॉट किया, दिस इज द सेकंड इक्वेशन, और इसकी इक्वेशन क्या होगी, x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? So what is the solution? Answer overall इसका क्या रहेगा? Therefore answer is number of boys and girls. So number of taking part in quiz is equal to 7 and number of boys 3. Number of boys 3. Then question number 3. On comparing the ratios, आपके पास ratios given है, equations given है, you have to compare the ratios of the coefficients. Find whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent और inconsistent का मतलब है कि कब उनके solutions possible हैं और कब उनके solutions possible नहीं हैं. So start question number 3. So here first part is first equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, and the second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. These are two equations. Clear? You have to find whether the solution is consistent or inconsistent. तो consistent or inconsistent, consistent का मतलब है whenever we are able to find out the solution. Inconsistent जब कोई solution ना हो तो कौन सी lines होंगी, parallel lines के लिए inconsistent होगा, other lines intersecting है, या फिर lines coincident है, then solution will be consistent. Clear? So from these equations we have to compare the coefficients of x, coefficients of y and the constant term. इनको हम इनकी ratios को compare करते हैं. These two equations are not in standard form. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आता है 2-3 मार्क्स में तब तो आप इसको स्टैंडर्ड में कन्वर्ट करिए, लेकिन अगर ये एमसीक्यू है डायरेक्टली यू कैन फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ दिस, क्योंकि दोनों तरफ जाके अगर ये 5 है दूसरी तरफ जाके -5 हो जाएगा, दूसरा नीचे वाले का साइन भी चेंज हो जाएगा, तो अगेन माइनस माइनस कट हो जाएगी, तो रेशियो फिर भी यही रहेगी. क्लियर? लेकिन अगर सिंपल आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है तो कन्वर्ट दिस, व्हिच इम्प्लाइज 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, and here 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now if we compare their coefficients, a1 over a2, that is 3 over 2, b1 over b2, ratio of coefficients of y. So it is 2 over minus 3. It will be minus 2 over 3. Here also it is 3 over 2. Here 2 over -3 जो -3 है वो कहाँ चला जाता है न्यूमरेटर में. You all must be knowing 2 over -3 है, हमने -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, -2 over 3. You all must be knowing why it is so. Standard form में लिखना है तो नेगेटिव साइन यूज करना. So next is C1 over C2. कितनी वैल्यू रखें? -5 over -7. After calculation, it will be 5 over 7. तो now compare these. ठीक है, हमें ये वाली चीज की जरूरत नहीं थी जब हमें ये पता है कि A1 over A2 is not equal to B1 over B2. ये है 3/2 और ये है -2/3. One is positive, other is negative, so both cannot be equal. दोनों इक्वल नहीं हो सकते. तो हमें तीसरा जो है रेशियो ये वाली कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. From these two only we can say A1 over A2 not equal to B1 over B2. Therefore, कौन सी लाइन्स होगी? Intersecting lines. Although you are not asked which type of lines, और solution कौन सा होगा? Consistent. अब यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन जो मेन क्वेश्चन है वो क्या है? Find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Therefore, pair of linear equations are consistent. Clear? Similar is now third part. In third part, second part you have to do yourself. 3 over 2x. Sorry. 3 over 2x plus 5 over 3y is equal to 7. First equation. And the second is 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. It is second equation. Now you are having these two equations. Clear? You have to tell whether the solution is consistent or inconsistent. So directly from here we can check 3 over 2 ratio 9. ठीक है, इनको जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे और इधर भी रेशियो फाइंड आउट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू चेक A1 over A2 and B1 over B2. Clear here? A1 over A2. आप चाहो तो इसको इक्वेशन को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज एज इट इज भी कर सकते हो. सो इट इज 3/2. जिनको ये डिफिकल्ट लगता है तो यू कैन राइट ओवर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिवाइड. क्लियर? जिनको ये डिफिकल्टी लगती है कि हाउ टू डिवाइड, 3 over 2 divided by 9. So it will be 3 over 2. 9 से जब आपने इसको डिवाइड किया into 1 over 9. So here 3 3s are 9. It is 1/6. Next is B1 over B2. Here B1 is 5/3 and B2 is I have not written here anything because हो सकता है हमें इसको इधर लेके आना पड़े. अगर A1 over A2 is equal to B1 over B2 है, then we have to find C1 over C2 also. Now next condition, हमें इसमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? B1 over B2. Now B1 over B2 is equal to here B1 5 over 3 divided by -10. 5 over 3 divided by -10. 5 over 3 divided is converted into multiplication 10 जो है उसको हम क्या लिखते हैं 1 over -10. 5 over 10 it is 1 over 6 with negative sign. अब देखिए इसमें both the values are magnitude दोनों का सेम है 1/6 1/6 but sign is different. So therefore A1 over A2 not equal to B1 over B2. तो अगर ये इक्वल नहीं, आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं इनके साइंस में These will not be equal. अगर MCQ आता तो आपको यहाँ से डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख सकते हो. In that no need to solve MCQs में. So आंसर क्या हो गया? लाइंस कौन सी होगी? इंटरसेक्टिंग. इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. सो क्या हो गया आपके पास? क्लियर जो है वो कंसिस्टेंट. इसमें भी आपके पास कंसिस्टेंट हो गया. नाउ रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू ट्राई योरसेल्फ. नाउ फिफ्थ part you will try and tell me the answer just right now. If any problem is there, you can ask. Fifth part here, 4/3x plus 2y is equal to 8, and the second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Yes, these two equations you are given. You have to find whether the solution is consistent or inconsistent. Kushi, unmute yourself.
ये consistent है.
Consistent. Reason. What is the value of A1 over A2?
A1 over A2 की value 2.3 आएगी.
2 हो जाएगा. You only have solved this 2/3. Is it? Now next
Yes,
value,
ma'am.
what is the value of B1 over B2? Ashpreet.
वो given है 2 over 3.
It is also 2/3. Both the values are equal. Now we have to find C1 over C2. What is this question to solve? 4/3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Here 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have to find C1 over C2 also. So what is the value of C1 over C2? इनको जब हम कट
It's
करेंगे
2.3.
again 2/3. Clear? So here, which type of lines are these? Harsh.
And coincident lines.
These are coincident lines. Yeah. So here, A1 over A2 is equal to B1 over B2 is equal to C1 over C2. Therefore, coincident lines. Therefore, pair of linear equation is consistent. Similar is question number 4. Which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent, inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. ठीक है? अगर consistent है तो आपने graphically इनका ग्राफ बनाना मीन्स, अगर inconsistent है तो फिर नहीं बनाना. ठीक है? Obtain the solution लिखा है ना, आपके पास 3 तरह की लाइंस होंगी. या तो होगी पैरेलल. In case of parallel lines, you are not able to find the solution on the graph. कहीं पे point of intersection नहीं होगा. And if these are coincident, then solution क्या होगा? Every point on the line, जो first line पे है वो दूसरी line पे भी होगा. Infinite many solutions would be there. और अगर intersecting है तो सिर्फ आपके पास one solution होगा. ठीक है? That is the point of intersection. Now from the first part, question number 4, first part. हाँ जी, x plus y is equal to 5. Write the first equation. We will not plot the graph today. ठीक है? सिर्फ हम discuss कर रहे हैं question number 4. You can do that yourself. Question number 4, first part. First equation is x plus y is equal to 5. and the second one is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. These are the two equations. So which type of equations are these? Arya, raise your hands.
Coincident.
Consistent.
These are
Coincidence lines होंगे
consistent.
consistent.
Parallel होगी या coincident होगी या intersecting?
Coincident.
Coincidence.
Which type of lines?
Coincidence.
Coincident lines. Because it is 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, or इसकी ratio -5/-2, that is also 1 by 2. So whenever you will plot the graph of this type of equations, you will get one line above the other. ठीक है? X plus y. जब आप इसका ग्राफ बनाओगे, it will be like this. Clear? X plus y. ये point होगा 5 0 and this point will be 0 5. और जब दूसरी लाइन का ग्राफ बनाओगे, that will also be same lines. इसी के ऊपर लाइन आएगी दूसरी. So these two lines are coincident lines. Clear? So next is इसको plot करने के बाद how to write the solution for this. How many solutions would be there? हमने ये दोनों ग्राफ बना लिए, एक के ऊपर दूसरा आ गया. How many solutions would be there? Raise your hands. कितने solutions होंगे इसके?
Infinite.
Yes, Arshpreet. Infinite many solutions.
Infinite.
Okay, infinite many solutions. Clear?